If any of these credit cards are in your wallet right now, you're losing money every single month. I'm talking about cards designed to trap people with bad credit, charging insane fees while giving you nothing in return. In this video, I'll tell you why you should cancel these cards and show you which ones to get instead so you can get a ton of perks, rewards, and points all for free. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which cards to cancel, which ones to apply for, and how to make the switch without hurting your credit score. Look, I get it. When you're rebuilding your credit and just getting started, it feels like a win just getting approved. Back when I ran my credit repair agency, I had clients come in all the time asking about these same exact cards. And every single time, I had to give them the same painful truth. These cards are financial traps designed to keep you stuck. Just because you can't get approved doesn't mean that you should always say yes. These companies target people with low credit scores on purpose because they know that you feel like you don't have any other options. But here's the truth, you do have better options. Let me start with the worst offenders on the list that charge hundreds of dollars just to exist. The first group of cards that you need to avoid are what I called predatory secure cards. This includes First Premier Bank, Credit One Bank, First Progress, Merit Bank, Milestone, Open Sky, Celtic Bank, and Destiny Card. Here's why all of these cards are so dangerous. They all follow the same predatory playbook: outrageous annual fees, monthly maintenance charges, and fees for basic services that should be all for free while providing zero value. So let's start off with the worst offender, which is First Premier Bank. This card is so bad that it should be illegal. With a $500 credit limit, you're looking at a $95 program fee just to activate the card, a $125 annual fee in the first year, plus a $10.40 monthly maintenance fee. So do the math. That's $220 in fees in year one for a $500 limit. You're paying 44% of your available credit in fees before you even make a purchase. They also charge $29 for authorized users, 25% of your credit limit for increases, and $3 for paper statements. And what do you get? Nothing. No rewards, no benefits, just a 36% interest rate. Credit One is equally predatory and deceptive. They intentionally make their name sound like Capital One just to trick you. They charge up to $49 for a credit limit increase, $19 for authorized users, and $10 just to make it instant payment. When they do approve you for a limit increase, they will only give you half and make you pay the other fee later just for the rest. Celtic cards like the Indigo Reflex and Surge hit you with a 35.9% APR plus annual fees that can total to about $275 per year after the first year when they add the monthly maintenance fees. Open Sky hooks you with a $24 in year one and then raise it to $36 annually. Merit Bank charges $36 per year with zero benefits. First Progress offers 3 different cards with fees ranging between $29 to $49, making you pay annual fees just to earn rewards on your own deposited money. Here's what really makes me angry. These companies spend millions targeting people who are already struggling financially, making these traps sound like opportunities. So on the flip side, these are the cards that you should be looking at first. The Discover It should be your first choice. There is no annual fee, 2% cash back at gas and restaurants up to $1,000 quarterly, and 1% on everything else. And they also double down all of your cash back in year one. They review your graduation starting at month 8, and when you graduate, it becomes to a regular Discover It card. Next is the Capital One Platinum Secure Card. There's no annual fee, quick graduation path, often between 6 to 12 months, and includes CreditWise for free credit monitoring. Another one from Capital One is the Quicksilver Secure Card, which earns 1.5% on everything with no category restrictions. Now, this is a perfect gateway to the Capital One ecosystem. And lastly, we got the US Bank Plus card. This is the highest earning secure card available. You get 5% back on your first $2,000 in combined purchases quarterly on 2 categories that you choose, plus 2% on 1 everyday category. Now, speaking of building a financial feature, today's video is brought to you by Gemini. The Bitcoin credit card offers instant Bitcoin rewards on every purchase with no annual fee. Check the description below for more info. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking about cryptocurrency but don't know where to begin. Maybe you're worried about timing the market or putting too much money in all at once. Here's the thing, what if you can start investing in crypto just by using a credit card for your everyday spending? That's exactly what the Gemini credit card does. Every time that you buy gas, grab groceries, or pay for dinner, you're automatically earning Bitcoin rewards that get deposited instantly into your account. No waiting, no annual fees, no complicated investment decisions. You're essentially building a crypto portfolio while building your credit. It's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. The best is that you can earn up to 4% on gas and transportation, 3% on dining, and 2% on groceries. Those awards have the potential to appreciate over time, unlike cashback that just sits there. There's also a $200 intro bonus when you sign up and spend $3,000 in your first 90 days. If you are thinking about dipping your toes into cryptocurrency, this is honestly one of the smartest ways to start. You're investing with money that you're already spending anyways. Click the link down in the description or go to gemini.com/namwin to apply and start earning instantly. The second group that you should avoid completely is overpriced luxury cards. The biggest offenders here are the MasterCard Black Card and the MasterCard Gold Card from Luxury Card. The Gold Card charges you $995 per year, mainly because it's made of 24 karat gold and has premium weight. You can get the same metal card design for way less. Another downside is that you only earn 2% on everything, the same rate as free cards. This card does have some benefits. It includes global entry credit, a $200 airline credit, and priority pass access. But you can get all of these plus more with cards costing hundreds less. If you want a premium travel card and actually get value, then get the Capital One Venture X instead. There is a $395 annual fee, but you get 10,000 anniversary miles, which is a $100 value, and $300 annual travel credits. You also get Priority Pass and Capital One lounge access, and 10x on hotels, car rentals, 5x on flights through the portal, and 2x on everything else. That's a $400 in clear value against a $395 annual fee. The card pays for itself. If you want to even go more premium, the American Express Platinum is at $695 a year, but it comes with over $1,500 in potential credits and benefits if you use them all. This includes airline credits, Uber credits, hotel status, and the best lounge network worldwide. Even if you were to use half of these credits, you're still going to be getting more value than what you pay. The pain point is that if you're going to pay the annual fee, just make sure that you're getting real value, not just a heavy piece of metal and a flex. Now let's talk about a problem that might hit closer to home: annual fee cards that you're not using to their full potential. Here's the truth: any credit card with an annual fee that you're not maximizing is a bad card for you personally. I see this all the time. People get excited about the premium card, pay the annual fee, then they barely use the benefits. It's like buying a gym membership and never working out, except the gym keeps charging you every single year. Let me give you some specific examples. If you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, but you haven't traveled in 2 years, the $95 annual fee is just money down the drain. The card's main value comes from earning 3x points on dining and travel, plus the ability to transfer points to travel partners. If you're not doing either of those things, you're better off with just a free card. If you have the American Express Gold Card, but you're not using the dining credits, Uber credits, or earning 4x points on groceries and restaurants, then you're probably losing money every single year. The Gold Card has over $400 in annual credits, but they're only valuable if you actually use them. I had a client who had the MX Platinum for 3 years and never once used the lounge access, never used the airline credits, and barely traveled. He was almost paying $700 per year for what essentially was a 1x earning card for him. Alright, so let's put this all together with a clear action plan. Step 1 is to identify any problem cards. Go through your wallet right now and identify any of the predatory cards that I mentioned. This includes the First Premier, Credit One, Merit Bank, and any other Celtic Bank cards. If you have any of these, they need to go. For any of the other cards with annual fees, calculate whether you're getting your money's worth. If not, downgrade or cancel. Run the numbers to see how much you're paying a year in annual fees, and I guarantee you that you'll be shocked when you see the total. Step 2 is apply for better alternatives. First, before you cancel anything, apply for better cards. If you need a secure card, then go with the Discover It Secured or the Capital One Platinum Secured. If your credit has improved, then consider the Gemini card or other no-fee options. Now, this is crucial. You want to have your replacement cards in hand before you cancel the bad ones. Step 3 is to wait for the approval. Once you're approved for your new card, wait about 30 days before canceling the old ones. This gives you time to set up any automatic payments and ensures that your credit utilization doesn't spike. Step 4 is to cancel the bad cards. Call the customer service number on the back of these predatory cards and cancel them. Don't let them talk you into keep the card with a special offer or reduced fees, just downright cancel. They're gonna try very hard to keep you because you are profitable to them. So stay strong and just say that I just want to cancel this card. Now, here's something super important. I know that some of you are worried about closing credit cards and how it might affect your credit score. The truth is that these predatory cards are costing you hundreds of dollars a year in fees. The small temporary impact on your credit score is definitely worth it. Plus, the closed accounts will continue to positively impact your credit for up to 10 years. And honestly, if you're paying $300 a year in fees for a $500 credit limit, you're not building credit, you're just wasting time. When I ran my credit repair agency, I would tell clients that if a predatory card was the only option that they could get, then fine, just use it exactly just 1 year to build that payment history, then just cancel it and move on to something better. But never ever keep these cards long term because they are designed to keep you poor and stuck. So that's exactly how to identify and eliminate the worst credit cards from your wallet while building a setup that actually serves your financial goals. But here's something that I didn't tell you at the beginning of this video. Everything that I just shared with you is completely useless if you keep making mistakes on your credit card application. See, even with the best credit cards available, you can still get denied if you are putting wrong information on your applications. So click on this video right here to learn the 5 things that you should never write on a credit card application if you want the highest odds of approval. I'll see you over there.